Salesforce Einstein GPT, AI in CRM. Sounds complex, doesn't it? Well, let me simplify it for you. Hi, I'm Astrid from Cloud Analyst, and today we're going to break down Salesforce Einstein GPT into simple, no jargon, just clear insights. This is for executives who want to understand what AI can actually do inside your CRM and what that means for your business strategy, your teams, and the customer experience. Einstein GPT is Salesforce built-in generative AI assistant. It brings the intelligence of models like ChatGPT directly into your CRM. But it's not just a general purpose AI. This GDP is trained on your customer data, your sales conversations, support history, and marketing performance. And what that means, it just doesn't generate content. It generates relevant content based on your real context. So Salesforce Einstein GPT is available across all Salesforce apps, most, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, even Slack. And it adapts to the different workflows depending on what the users are trying to do. So at the core, it's a fusion of the structured CRM data and generative AI. So when your team uses Einstein GPT, they're interacting with a secure, governed version of an LLM, large language model, that's scoped around your business data. So, for example, a sales rep asked in the prompt in the CRM, draft a follow-up email based on my last call with Acme Corp. Well, then AI can access the call summary, the opportunity stage, and the recent email thread, and then use all that to draft an email that's to the point and personal. So it's fast, it's getting smarter, and tools like Prompt Builder and Data Cloud integration, your team can create your reusable prompts that are both tapping into real-time and historical data. So now let's look at how that would work in some real-life cases. This is Salesforce Sales Cloud. It's a page layout with Sales Cloud and GPT bolted on. So what can it do for sales team? Well, it can draft follow-up emails, summarize meetings, recommend the next best action, and even score leads. And so, for example, for marketing teams, Marketing Cloud GPT can generate subject line, content variations in your email, and offer performance summaries across segments. For call center or customer service team, Einstein can instantly draft replies to customer queries, summarizing long case histories, and suggest resolution paths. Now, we can take that even further with Agentforce, Salesforce Autonomous Agent Framework, because Agentforce will allow you to use AI and then act upon these insights, not just recommend them. So for example, it can escalate a case, update a record, or trigger an email, all based on your predefined guardrails that you set. So this is not just AI at the edge, it's embedded at the center of your own workflows. Why should you care? Well, Salesforce Einstein GPT is more than a productivity booster. It actually really changes how your team works. It saves time. Reps spend less time on admin and more time on building relationships. Consistency. AI-generated output helps standardize a tone and messaging and support quality. And it's actionable intelligence. CRM is not just a system of record, it has become a system of recommendation. And this is how it changes how your teams work. But here's a deeper shift. AI transforms CRM from a data depository into a strategic asset. And this is especially relevant if you're focused on improving time to close, reducing churn, scaling personalization, and things like that, without having a huge headcount. So of course, data privacy and security matters. Salesforce bakes governance into the model, and here's how it does that. Access is role-based. Data remains within your CRM tenant, and prompts are audited by you. right? It's an enterprise-grade AI where you stay in charge, obviously, while Salesforce gives you the tool to act responsibly leveraging AI. So, what to do next? If you are not using Einstein GPT yet, now is the time to A. Look at your CRM data to see if it's clean and connected. I made a whole video on this topic, which you can find here. Then have clear use cases where automation of content generation could help. And 3, are your teams trained on what good prompts look like? Because this isn't really a plug and play magic trick. This is a strategic rollout, but with the right setup, it can unlock a huge ROI. And that's really where we come in. Our team can help you with your data, design use cases, and deploy Einstein GPT in a way that actually works for you. So if you want any hands-on, realistic roadmap for bringing Salesforce AI into your org, let's connect. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical insights on CRM, data, and AI right here on this channel with AI with Astrid.